Hey there. Welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today, we've got something super exciting to talk about. Yeah, you heard me right, artificial intelligence. It's no longer a thing of the future, it's right here, right now, and it's integrated into almost everything around us. So, let's dive into this AI extravaganza. The rise of generative AI. First up, let's talk about generative AI. This is the cool stuff, folks. Thanks to companies like OpenAI, we've got products like ChatGPT for text generation and DALL-E for image generation. These things are mind-blowing. And guess what? Their APIs let just about anyone create and customize their own ChatGPT. Talk about power at your fingertips. The success of these products has ignited an AI revolution, and it's just getting started. A quick peek into AI history. But before we go any further, let's take a trip down memory lane and explore the history of AI. Back in the 1950s, the concept of AI was born. People like John Carthy in 1956 even coined the term artificial intelligence. Researchers were just testing and trying to create machines with human-like intelligence. Fast forward to the 1950s and 1960s, we had some early successes. The logic theorist, developed by Alan Newell and Herbert Simon, could prove mathematical theorems. And the general problem solver, GPS, helped solve problems by searching for solutions. But then, in the 1970s and 1980s, we hit what's known as the AI winter. Interest and funding for AI research took a nosedive. Progress was slow, but don't worry, it gets better. In the 1980s and 1990s, researchers shifted their focus to practical applications with expert systems. These systems mimicked human decision-making, and they were a big deal. Fast forward again to the 2000s and 2010s, and we witnessed the machine learning resurgence. Thanks to advancements in machine learning and technologies like neural networks and deep learning, AI started making waves in areas like image and speech recognition. And finally, in the 2010s and beyond, AI has seen unprecedented growth. It's become smarter than ever, excelling in image recognition and natural language understanding. Models like GPT-3 have shown us how AI can generate human-like text. What exactly is AI? AI is like the computer version of human intelligence processes. Think about learning, reasoning, problem-solving, perception, and understanding language. Now, AI can be divided into two major categories. Narrow or weak AI. This type is designed for specific tasks, like ChatGPT, which generates text but doesn't have human-like intelligence. Siri and Alexa fall into this category too. General or strong AI. This is the holy grail, folks. It's a machine that can replicate human intelligence fully. But, as of now, it's mostly a sci-fi dream. The tech behind AI. AI is built using various programming languages, but Python is the rockstar here. It's got libraries like NumPy, TensorFlow, and scikit-learn that give it a serious edge. And speaking of libraries, we've got some basic algorithms in the AI world. Linear regression for predicting stuff. K means neighbors for classification, and K means clustering for grouping data. AI frameworks and libraries. If you're into AI development, you've probably heard of TensorFlow and PyTorch. These frameworks are the real deal, making AI model creation and deployment a breeze. And let's not forget scikit-learn, making machine learning accessible to everyone. Embracing the cloud. Don't want to deal with the nitty-gritty infrastructure stuff? Well, AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud have your back. They offer AI services, from speech recognition to image analysis. It's AI on demand. Exploring AI concepts. AI is a vast world, and there are some key concepts you should know. Machine learning. It's AI's sidekick, helping computers learn patterns from data. Think supervised, unsupervised, and reinforcement learning. Deep learning. This is like AI's brain. It's inspired by how our own brains work and is crucial for things like image and speech recognition. Natural language processing, NLP. Ever chatted with a chatbot? That's NLP at play. It helps computers understand and generate human language. NLP and chatbots, they help answer questions and translate languages. Computer vision. This lets computers interpret visual information. It's what powers facial recognition and object detection. Think facial recognition and medical diagnostics. Robotics. AI-driven robots are doing some incredible stuff, from surgeries to space exploration. Expert systems. Remember those? They mimic human decision-making, using knowledge bases to offer recommendations. The challenges of AI. Now, every rose has its thorns, and AI is no different. Here are some challenges. Bias concerns. If AI is trained on biased data, it can lead to biased or discriminatory outcomes. Transparency. Some AI models, especially deep learning ones, are like black boxes. They work, but we don't always know how. Mystery AI. Privacy and security. AI needs lots of data, but where does it come from? Plus, it can be vulnerable to attacks, which is risky business. Regulatory and legal challenges. AI is evolving fast, and regulations struggle to keep up. It's a wild west out there. Safety and autonomous systems. Self-driving cars and AI-driven robots need to play nice with humans. They use AI to make split-second decisions, safety first. Okay, we're almost there. AI isn't just science fiction, it's real, and it's everywhere. Financial markets. AI helps analyze data and prevent fraud. Education. AI personalizes learning for students. Creative fields. AI generates art and even writes essays and short films. Even like this video. Phew, that was a lot. But it's just the tip of the AI iceberg. We're living in an AI-driven world, and there's no turning back. In conclusion, AI has come a long way since the 1950s. It's not just a concept, it's a reality. It's everywhere, making our lives easier and more exciting. Take GPT-3, for example. It's integrated into countless applications, offering us results and suggestions like never before. And you know what's even more exciting? The future of AI. Thanks for watching.